we are very happy with this cooperation with the Football Federation of Kenya, because we see this opportunity for football to grow, because this is a very talented nation. I have been here now for 7 years. My 7th year started, and we saw potential big to invest in football, to cooperate with federation, as well as to be partners with Ministry of Sports, and who are doing a very noble job here in Kenya when it's team sports. Yes, for us, hopefully it will that tournament will grow. That is I can say for sure. And in terms of cooperation, as I said, it is contract for 3 years. In terms of Kakamega champions last year, for that club it was the first title in their history, and that is, I could say it was a luck for Football Club Kakamega to win a title, FKF Cup, and present a Kenya country in Africa. Because Mozzart is also sponsored for Kakamega Football Club, and it means that when corporates sponsor some football club
season, we feel that this will even be much better and much bigger because of the number of grassroots teams that have enrolled. And so as we kick off, I want to wish all clubs that are taking part in the cup the very best of luck, and ask them to play clean and play fair, so that we attract even more sponsors than Mozzart. I think Mozzart has played a leading role in football development, especially the commercialization aspect of it. But as a country, we also need to play a vital role in building a brand that attracts more sponsors or more commercial partners. For sure, the federation alone cannot achieve this. We need club officials, players, and fans to play a key role in ensuring that we bring more corporates on board, but also the media to highlight football in the right way. We are not saying we are perfect, we will never be, but when you highlight certain issues, make sure that it does not injure the brand of football. So it must be a multifaceted effort from the federation, from the clubs, from the fans, from the media, from the government, all stakeholders. And we are happy that since we came back from the suspension, a lot has been done. Today we are here for the draw of the Mozzart Cup, but the federation has also partnered with Azam for free-to-air. We partnered with KBC Azam for pay TV and KBC for free-to-air, and we also have Safaricom for Chapadimba. But the uniqueness with today is that the Mozzart Cup gives clubs at the grassroots level an opportunity to play against top sides, and the eventual winner then gets the opportunity to represent Kenya in the CAF Interclub competition, which is really huge. Last season we lost a slot when one of our clubs didn't comply with club licensing. We have learned from that and continue to educate, sensitize, and engage clubs to ensure that whichever clubs that win, be it the Mozzart Cup or the FKF Premier League, is ready to represent the country.
Solian City FC.